Delta Force operates on a simple but uncompromising principle. They do not fight fair. Every mission is built around achieving overwhelming advantage before the enemy has the opportunity to react. Rather than relying on brute force or numbers, Delta Force prioritizes precision, speed, intelligence, and technological superiority to control the battlefield from the very first second. Their approach is proactive, calculated, and relentlessly efficient. Advanced equipment plays a central role in this philosophy, but technology is never adopted for novelty alone. Every weapon, system, or tool is selected because it increases survivability, lethality, or mission success. Delta Force favors platforms that are modular and adaptable, allowing operators to rapidly reconfigure their gear based on mission type, terrain, and threat environment. This flexibility ensures they are never locked into a single solution and can respond to changing conditions in real time. Reliability is non-negotiable. Weapons and systems must perform flawlessly in extreme environments, urban combat in deserts, mountains, or confined interiors, often under heavy stress and limited support. Delta Force operators trust their equipment completely, knowing that failure is not an option when missions are high risk and politically sensitive. Equally important is the emphasis on information dominance. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance tools are integrated into operations to reduce uncertainty and expose threats before contact occurs. By combining real-time intelligence with superior firepower and precision tactics, Delta Force seeks to end engagements as quickly as possible. Ultimately, Delta Force's philosophy is about control. Control of time, space, information, and violence. Their goal is not prolonged combat, but decisive action, executed so effectively that the enemy never truly gets a chance to fight back. Delta Force's approach to assault rifles and carbines reflects its broader emphasis on flexibility, reliability, and mission dominance. Rather than relying on a single standardized rifle, the unit favors weapon platforms that can be rapidly adapted to different operational demands. Modularity is a defining requirement. Rifles, such as those in the SIG MCX and Spear families, are designed to change barrel lengths, calibers, and configurations quickly, allowing operators to tailor their weapons for close-quarters combat, urban raids, or longer-range engagements without switching platforms entirely. Modern engineering plays a crucial role in this selection process. Lightweight construction, balanced handling, and suppressed capability allow operators to move fast while maintaining accuracy and control. Newer calibers, including high-performance intermediate rounds, are chosen to defeat modern body armor while still remaining manageable during rapid fire. These weapons are built to perform under extreme pressure, ensuring consistent accuracy and function in hostile environments. At the same time, Delta Force does not abandon proven systems. Legacy platforms such as the HK416 and the M4A1 SOPMOD remain in service because they have demonstrated exceptional reliability across decades of combat. These rifles have been tested in some of the most demanding operations in recent history and continue to earn operator trust. Upgrades such as free-floating rails and improved accessory compatibility keep these older designs relevant in modern combat. Ultimately, Delta Force's rifle and carbine choices balance innovation with experience. New platforms are adopted when they offer real tactical advantages, while battle-proven weapons are retained when they continue to perform. The result is a rifle ecosystem that maximizes adaptability, lethality, and confidence, ensuring operators are always equipped for the exact mission they face. Delta Force's precision and sniper systems are designed to deliver absolute control over distance, terrain, and timing. These weapons are not merely rifles, but strategic tools that allow operators to shape the battlefield far beyond the reach of standard infantry weapons. The emphasis is on accuracy, adaptability, and consistency under extreme conditions, where a single well-placed shot can determine the outcome of an entire mission. A defining feature of Delta Force sniper platforms is versatility. Multi-caliber systems, such as modern precision rifles, allow operators to swap barrels and ammunition quickly, tailoring their weapon to mission requirements without changing the core platform. This adaptability enables effective engagement across a wide range of distances, environments, and target types, from urban overwatch to open desert and mountainous terrain. Long-range accuracy is paramount, with many systems capable of engaging targets well beyond 2 or even 3 kilometers. Delta Force also values speed and flexibility in precision fire. Semi-automatic sniper and designated marksman rifles provide rapid follow-up shots while maintaining near-bolt action accuracy. These systems allow marksmen to engage multiple targets quickly, adjust to changing threats, and support assault elements in dynamic firefights. Ergonomics, recoil management, and optic integration are carefully refined to reduce fatigue and increase hit probability over extended operations. At the extreme end of the spectrum, heavy sniper rifles deliver overwhelming power against hardened targets, vehicles, and fortified positions. These weapons combine immense stopping power with exceptional precision, reinforcing Delta Force's ability to neutralize threats that conventional firearms cannot address. Overall, Delta Force's precision rifle philosophy is about dominance through certainty. By combining long-range reach, modular design, and unmatched accuracy, these systems give operators the confidence to engage decisively, knowing that when a shot is taken, it counts. Delta Force's use of submachine guns and personal defense weapons reflects its need to operate effectively in the tightest, most dangerous environments imaginable. These weapons are not chosen for traditional firepower alone, but for their ability to deliver decisive performance in close quarters where speed, control, and maneuverability are critical. In hostage rescues, urban raids, protective details, and vehicle-based operations, compact weapons often determine success or failure. The defining characteristic of Delta Force PDWs is their ability to combine small size with serious lethality. Modern platforms blur the line between submachine guns and carbines, offering short overall length while maintaining armor-piercing capability and effective range. Weapons such as compact rifle caliber systems allow operators to move through narrow hallways, stairwells, and vehicles without sacrificing ballistic performance. This balance is essential when space is limited, but threats remain heavily armed. Control and reliability are equally important. These weapons are designed to remain stable during rapid fire, enabling accurate shot placement even under extreme stress. Low recoil, ergonomic controls, and excellent suppressor compatibility allow operators to dominate close-range engagements quickly and quietly. In protective roles, such as VIP security, compact weapons provide discrete firepower that can be deployed instantly without drawing unnecessary attention. Delta Force also values adaptability within this category. Some PDWs are optimized for extreme concealment, while others prioritize armor penetration or suppressed operation. This allows teams to tailor their loadouts to the mission, whether clearing rooms, escorting high-value personnel, or operating undercover. Ultimately, Delta Force's submachine guns and PDWs exist to give operators maximum control in confined spaces. They are tools built for speed, precision, and confidence, ensuring that even at arm's length, Delta Force maintains absolute dominance over the fight. Delta Force's approach to machine guns centers on delivering overwhelming firepower without sacrificing mobility or flexibility. Unlike conventional infantry units that rely on dedicated gun teams, Delta Force emphasizes systems that can be effectively employed by a single operator or integrated seamlessly into small, highly mobile teams. The goal is to provide sustained suppressive fire whenever needed, while still allowing operators to move quickly and adapt to rapidly changing battlefield conditions. Modern lightweight machine guns play a critical role in this doctrine. Advanced materials and innovative engineering reduce weight while maintaining durability and reliability, enabling operators to carry belt-fed weapons without the traditional burden associated with them. These systems deliver high rates of fire and extended engagement capability, providing dominance at ranges beyond standard rifles. Recoil management and ergonomic design further enhance controllability, allowing accurate fire even during prolonged engagements. At the squad level, machine guns provide decisive suppression. Medium caliber platforms offer significant stopping power, capable of penetrating cover and forcing enemy movement, creating opportunities for maneuver elements to advance or disengage safely. Despite their power, these weapons remain compact and manageable enough for dynamic operations, reinforcing Delta Force's preference for versatility over sheer mass. For vehicle-mounted and aerial roles, heavier machine guns bring an entirely different level of authority. High-caliber systems are employed to neutralize vehicles, fortifications, and hardened targets, projecting dominance across wide areas. Rotary machine guns, with their extreme rates of fire, serve as formidable defensive and offensive tools when mounted on aircraft or vehicles, creating near-impenetrable zones of fire. Overall, Delta Force's machine gun philosophy balances firepower with practicality. By selecting systems that combine sustained fire, reduced weight, and adaptability, the unit ensures it can control engagements through suppression and destruction while maintaining the speed and precision that define its operational style. Delta Force's use of launchers and anti-armor weapons reflects its need to confront threats that small arms alone cannot defeat. These systems provide operators with the ability to rapidly neutralize armored vehicles, fortified positions, and enemy concentrations, ensuring that no target is beyond reach. Rather than relying on heavy, cumbersome platforms, Delta Force favors weapons that combine destructive power with portability and speed. Versatility is a defining feature of this category. Lightweight 40mm grenade launchers give operators access to a wide range of ammunition types, including high explosive, smoke, and less lethal rounds. This flexibility allows teams to adapt instantly to evolving situations, whether breaking ambushes, clearing enemy positions, or creating concealment during movement. Multi-shot grenade launchers further amplify this capability, enabling a single operator to saturate an area with explosive fire in seconds. When confronting armored threats or hardened structures, Delta Force employs shoulder-fired and recoilless systems that deliver immense firepower in compact form. These weapons are designed to defeat tanks, bunkers, and reinforced cover while remaining manageable for dismounted operators. Disposable rocket systems provide quick, lightweight solutions for sudden armor encounters, allowing teams to carry multiple rounds without excessive burden. At the high end of the spectrum, advanced guided missile systems give Delta Force the ability to destroy heavily armored vehicles from long distances with extreme precision. Fire and forget technology reduces exposure time, allowing operators to engage and relocate immediately after launch. These systems are particularly effective in complex terrain where enemy armor might otherwise dominate. Overall, Delta Force's launcher and anti-armor philosophy is about decisive problem-solving. By equipping operators with scalable explosive and anti-vehicle options, the unit ensures it can eliminate any obstacle quickly, maintain momentum, and retain full control of the battlefield regardless of enemy defenses. Delta Force's integration of tactical robotics and drones reflects a modern battlefield philosophy centered on information dominance and operator survivability. These systems are not force replacements, but force multipliers, designed to reduce uncertainty, expose hidden threats, and keep personnel out of unnecessary danger. By relying on unmanned platforms, Delta Force gains critical intelligence before committing operators to high-risk environments. Small reconnaissance drones play a vital role in close-range intelligence gathering. Ultra-compact aerial systems can be deployed quickly to peek around corners, scan rooftops, or observe hostile areas without alerting the enemy. Their quiet operation and real-time video feeds provide teams with immediate situational awareness, allowing them to identify enemy positions, traps, or ambushes before making contact. In urban operations, this capability can mean the difference between a clean entry and a deadly surprise. Ground-based robots further enhance this approach. Throwable and ruggedized robotic systems are designed to survive harsh handling while continuing to transmit valuable data. These robots are especially effective during building clearances, where they can scout rooms, hallways, and stairwells ahead of operators. By acting as mobile eyes and ears, they significantly reduce the risk of casualties during close quarters operations. Larger and more advanced drone platforms extend Delta Force's reach beyond immediate engagements. Long-endurance aerial systems enable persistent surveillance over wide areas, supporting intelligence collection and target monitoring over extended periods. Additionally, fast and agile first-person view drones introduce new tactical options for reconnaissance and precision engagement. Overall, Delta Force's use of robotics and drones underscores its commitment to fighting smarter rather than harder. By prioritizing information, stealth, and safety, these systems allow operators to dominate complex environments while minimizing exposure and maintaining decisive operational control. Delta Force's use of shotguns is highly specialized, focusing on reliability, adaptability, and close-range effectiveness rather than general-purpose combat. These weapons are primarily employed in breaching operations and close-quarters defense, where immediate stopping power and mechanical dependability are critical. In fast-paced raids and dynamic entries, shotguns provide a decisive tool for overcoming barriers and neutralizing threats at extremely short distances. Reliability is the foremost requirement. Delta Force favors shotgun platforms known for functioning consistently under harsh conditions, regardless of dirt, debris, or environmental stress. Semi-automatic systems offer rapid follow-up shots while maintaining control, making them ideal for confined spaces where speed and accuracy are essential. Their robust construction ensures they perform flawlessly during high-risk operations where equipment failure is unacceptable. Adaptability further defines the role of shotguns within the unit. Modular designs allow operators to reconfigure a single weapon for multiple roles, switching between full-length setups and compact configurations depending on mission requirements. This flexibility enables teams to tailor their loadouts without increasing logistical complexity. Pump-action shotguns, valued for their simplicity, remain relevant due to their proven reliability and ease of maintenance across diverse environments. Delta Force also employs ultra-compact shotgun variants specifically designed for breaching. These tools are optimized for one task, rapidly defeating doors and entry points to maintain operational momentum. Their small size allows them to be carried discreetly and deployed instantly when needed, without hindering movement or weapon handling. Ultimately, shotguns in Delta Force service are purpose-built instruments. They exist not as primary fighting weapons, but as precise solutions to specific problems. By prioritizing dependability, modularity, and specialized function, Delta Force ensures its operators can breach, clear, and control interior spaces with speed and confidence. Delta Force's breaching and specialty tools are designed to support rapid, aggressive operations where speed, shock, and control are essential. In high-risk raids and close-quarters combat, these tools allow operators to break into hostile environments, disorient enemies, and seize the initiative within seconds. The emphasis is not on prolonged engagement, but on creating brief windows of overwhelming advantage that can be exploited decisively. Non-lethal devices, particularly flashbang grenades, play a critical role in this process. These tools are engineered to overwhelm human senses through intense light and sound, temporarily disorienting occupants without causing permanent injury. During room clearing and dynamic entries, flashbangs provide operators with crucial moments of confusion, reducing enemy resistance and lowering the risk to friendly forces. Their effectiveness lies in precision timing and placement, enabling teams to dominate enclosed spaces almost instantly. Explosive breaching tools further enhance operational momentum, Pre-configured charges are designed for fast, reliable deployment, allowing operators to breach doors and barriers with minimal setup. Magnetic or easily mounted designs ensure consistent performance under stress, reducing the chance of delays or errors during critical moments. By eliminating physical obstacles quickly, these tools prevent defenders from regrouping or reinforcing their positions. Together, breaching charges and non-lethal devices enable Delta Force to control the pace of an operation. Rather than reacting to enemy actions, operators dictate the sequence of events, moving swiftly from entry to domination. This approach minimizes exposure, shortens engagements, and maximizes surprise. Ultimately, Delta Force's breaching and specialty tools embody its broader philosophy: decisive action through speed and precision. By combining controlled explosives and sensory disrupting devices, the unit ensures it can penetrate defenses, maintain momentum, and overwhelm adversaries before they can effectively respond. Delta Force's selection of handguns reflects their role as last resort and transition weapons, designed to function flawlessly when primary systems fail or when engagements shift suddenly to extreme close range. Although pistols are secondary to rifles, their importance is undeniable. In moments when speed, reliability, and instinctive handling determine survival, operators must trust their sidearms without hesitation. Reliability is the most critical requirement. Delta Force favors handguns with proven track records of consistent performance across diverse environments. These pistols are expected to function in dust, heat, cold, and high-stress conditions with minimal maintenance. Simple, robust designs are preferred because they reduce the likelihood of mechanical failure and allow for quick field repairs if necessary. Ergonomics and shootability are equally important. Modern handgun designs emphasize improved grips, controllable recoil, and fast sight acquisition, allowing operators to place accurate shots under pressure. Some pistols are optimized for rapid, flat shooting, supporting fast follow-up shots when fractions of a second matter. Others prioritize concealability, enabling operators to blend into civilian environments during undercover or low-profile missions without sacrificing effectiveness. Modularity further enhances handgun utility. Platforms that allow components such as grips, slides, or barrels to be swapped provide flexibility across different mission profiles. Compact variants offer easier carry and reduced signature, while full-size configurations deliver enhanced control and accuracy. Ultimately, Delta Force's handgun philosophy is about confidence and adaptability. These weapons are chosen not for novelty, but for their ability to perform when everything else goes wrong. When an operator transitions to a pistol, it must feel natural, dependable, and lethal, ensuring that even in the most unpredictable moments, Delta Force maintains control of the fight. Delta Force's approach to edged weapons emphasizes practicality, durability, and immediate utility rather than symbolism or tradition. Knives and tomahawks are not carried as ceremonial items, but as essential tools that support a wide range of operational tasks. In environments where firearms may be impractical, compromised, or too loud, edged weapons provide operators with a reliable and silent alternative. Durability is the defining characteristic of these tools. Delta Force favors blades constructed from high-quality materials capable of maintaining sharpness while withstanding extreme abuse. Whether used for cutting, prying, breaching, or emergency survival tasks, these weapons must perform consistently without failure. Simple, robust designs are preferred because they are easier to maintain and less likely to break under stress. Balance and ergonomics are equally important. Edged weapons must feel natural in the hand, allowing for precise control during close quarters encounters or utility work. Tools such as tomahawks offer versatility beyond combat, serving as breaching instruments or multi-purpose implements during urban operations. Their design allows operators to transition seamlessly between tasks without switching equipment. Certain blades are optimized for rapid deployment, Automatic or quick access knives ensure that operators can bring a blade into action instantly with one hand, a critical capability in emergency or grappling situations. Compact profiles allow these tools to be carried unobtrusively while remaining immediately accessible. Ultimately, edged weapons in Delta Force service represent a philosophy of readiness and self-reliance. They provide a dependable fallback when technology fails or conditions demand silence and simplicity. By prioritizing strength, functionality, and ease of use, Delta Force ensures that even its most basic tools contribute meaningfully to mission success and operator survival. Delta Force's overall approach to warfare is defined by a relentless focus on mission success through control, adaptability, and technological overmatch. Rather than relying on sheer numbers or prolonged engagements, the unit is structured around precision and speed, ensuring that every action is deliberate and decisive. The underlying goal is to dominate the operational environment so thoroughly that adversaries are overwhelmed before they can meaningfully respond. Mission-first customization sits at the core of this philosophy. Equipment, tactics, and team composition are never fixed. They are shaped specifically for each operation. This flexibility allows Delta Force to transition seamlessly between vastly different mission profiles, from urban raids and hostage rescues to long-range reconnaissance and counterterrorism strikes. No single tool is expected to do everything, but every tool must perform its role flawlessly. Technological superiority further amplifies this advantage. Advanced weapons, sensors, drones, and precision systems are integrated to provide unmatched situational awareness and lethality. Technology is used to reduce uncertainty, compress decision-making timelines, and give operators clearer, faster insight into the battlefield. This overmatch ensures Delta Force can strike accurately, limit collateral damage, and disengage before enemies can recover. Equally important is the emphasis on speed and surprise. Operations are designed to unfold rapidly, denying opponents the time needed to coordinate, reinforce, or adapt. Violence, when applied, is controlled and efficient rather than excessive, ending fights as quickly as possible. Ultimately, Delta Force's doctrine is about control of information, movement, and force. By combining adaptability, advanced technology, and elite training, the unit achieves outcomes that appear effortless from the outside, but are the result of meticulous planning and execution. The end state is simple: decisive victory with minimal risk, leaving the enemy confused, defeated, and unable to respond.